In this video, we will learn how to use Countif function in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some sales data with the heading of the order date, order ship date, product ID, category, subcategory, product name, etc. So here I'm using the Countif function. Countif function use the number of criteria to get the count. So let's start. Here I am given two criteria, category and subcategory. So let's start. Is equal to count if, then select the first criteria is category. So I select here the category column. I select here the full column. This data is huge, so therefore is a row number is a 9995. I select here full column, then comma, the criteria is furniture. Okay, then comma, second criteria is a subcategory, then I select the subcategory full column, then I use here comma. Our second criteria is subcategory chair, then bracket close and just enter 617 count of category furniture, subcategory chair. If you want to cross check, just filter this data, select the furniture here, select the chair here, and just select the full column. Here you can see the count 617. Now check your 617 is a correct count we get as per the criteria. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.